This is the 2017 Kona Firemountain. I picked it up back in 2018 from Comox Bike Company in Comox, BC for my daughter. And she's been riding it now for about a year. And I'll go through the components real quick here, and then we're going to get it on the trail and show you how it performs. Came equipped with a SR Sun Tour XCR 32 100mm travel fork, Tektro disc brakes with 180mm front rotor, 160mm rear rotor. It did come with a 3x9 Altus, and I swapped the 3x out for a 1x. I put a snaggletooth black spire right in there. A snaggletooth black spire chain ring. There it is. All right, we're going to get this bike out on the trail and show you how it performs. Let's go. So as you can see, you don't need to spend your whole life savings on a bike to get your kids out on the trail. You know, that bike cost me $700. You know, damn good investment to get your kid out riding with you. And, you know, sure, it's not the best spec bike in the world, but you know what? She's having a blast. And I'm having a blast. And that's what mountain biking's all about. So... So here we are, hanging out on a rock. Here we are, hanging out on the rock in Northeast Woods Trail. This rock rocks. Rock? Nothing sits like this rock. Yeehaw! Bye. So that's the end of our ride today. If you like our video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Have a nice day.